Hello students, today we are going to discuss English course lesson number 4, The Selfish Giant. Every afternoon after school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. Every afternoon after the school, when the children came from school, they always go to giant's garden for playing. Giants means a big man, tall and big man. Okay, that is called giant's garden. Giant means this is a giant, big person, tall and big man. In his garden, giant's garden means in his garden, children were going to play always after school, where the grass was green and soft and beautiful flowers blossomed. In the giant's garden there was a green and soft grass. You can see in the picture the grass is green and it was soft also, and there was beautiful flowers blossomed means grown, grew, opened, unfold, bloomed. Okay, all around means everywhere. You can see in the picture everywhere there is a flower, beautiful flower. There were 12 peach trees that broke out into pink blossoms. Here blossoms means flower. You can see in the picture there are trees also. These trees are of peach trees. These trees are of peach trees, fruit of peach trees. ठीक है, and that were broke out into pink blossoms means flower. In the trees there is a flowers, there was flowers also. See beta, this is a similar word, blossomed and blossoms. Blossomed means grew, open, unfold, and blossoms means flower. Okay, don't be confused with both words. In the springtime, the birds sat on the trees and sang sweetly. In the springtime, in the giant's garden, the birds sat on the trees and sang sweetly. The giant had gone on a long visit to his friend. The giant gone to his friend to meet him. On his return to his own castle means a large building, big house. Okay, when he came back to his house, to his castle, he saw the children playing in his garden. He saw that some children were playing in his garden. What are you doing here? The giant asked from the children that what are you doing here means what are you doing in my garden. He cried in a very gruff voice. Gruff means harsh voice. He cried in a very harsh voice, my garden is my own. He said, this is my garden. I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. He said, I will not allow anybody can come into my garden and play without my permission. Okay. The children got afraid. Afraid means feeling fear. They got afraid. Afraid means feeling fear and ran away. When the children saw a very tall and burly man, and then they got, and the man was having very rough voice, also harsh voice, and when the children saw the giant, they all got afraid and they ran from the garden. Then he built a high wall all around it. Afterward, because giant was not allowing anybody to come in his garden and play, that's why he built a high wall around his garden. You can see around the garden there is a small fence. Okay, small boundary area. After that he built a high wall around his garden. He also put a notice. He put a notice on that wall also. You can see picture, this is a high wall which the giant had built, and this is the notice that he had put. The little children now had nowhere to play. Now first of all, the children were coming in the garden and they were playing. Now because the giant built a high wall, that's why there was no place for the children for playing. They would wander means moving here and there, move from one place to another place. Around the high wall, they move around the high wall and talk about the beautiful garden inside, and they talk about the garden which were inside, because when they were before the high wall, they were playing inside of the garden, that's why they were all talking about the previous days when they were playing in the garden. How happy we were there, the children said. They said to each other, the children said to each other that we were very happy in the garden. Okay, next they said to each other, then it was spring again. Now the second now again the spring again came in the country. All over the country there was a spring season. There was little blossoms and little birds chirping, and blossoms means flower. There were little blossoms and little birds chirping. Chirping is a sound of bird. Chirping is a sound of bird. Only in the garden of the selfish giant. Selfish means to think oneself. One person who think about him or herself only, who is not thinking about other, that is called selfish. Only in the garden of selfish giant, it was still winter. Only in the giant's garden there was a still winter. You can see in the picture. Only in the giant's garden there was only still winter. In other full country there was a spring season. The birds did not sing in it, and the trees did not blossom. The birds, you can see in the picture, the birds are not here and they are not singing. They were not singing, and there was not any flower. The snow covered the grass. You can see in the picture again, the snow, there is a snow still in the giant garden. There is a snow. I cannot understand why spring is so late in coming. Then I means Giant. Giant was thinking. Giant said these words to himself. Giant was thinking that I cannot understand why spring is so late in coming, said the selfish giant to himself as he looked out at his cold white garden. When he looked into his cold white garden, he thought, and he said to himself that I cannot understand why the spring is so late in my garden. One morning the giant heard the chirping of a bird. One morning the giant heard chirping means sound of bird. Who heard the sound of bird? Giant. It sounds sweet to his ear. I believe. I means giant. This is the giant's conversation. This is giant is thinking. Giant was thinking, I believe spring has come at last. He thought that in my garden spring at last. In a full country it come first. At last it come in my garden. It came in my garden. He said and jumped out of bed. He stood up from his bed and looked out of his window, and he saw from his window. The giant saw the most wonderful sight. The giant saw a very wonderful means surprising sight. Though a little through a little hole in the wall. You can see in the picture. This is a hole. You can see in the picture. This is a little hole in the wall. ठीक है. Throw the little. Okay. Throw a little hole in the wall. Throw the little hole from the wall. The children had crept in. Crept means slither. This is the slithering. Okay. Slither. Crept means slither. Crept in means they came in the garden, and they were sitting on the branches of the trees. You can see in the picture, they are sitting on the branches of the trees, and the trees were covered with blossoms, and the all trees are covered with blossom means flowers. Okay, the birds were twittering means this is chirping. The birds were chirping, the sound of birds were there. The flowers were looking up through the green grass. You can see on the green grass also there were flowers.